Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Online. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix Snapchat camera on your iPhone. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If your Snapchat camera is not working on your iPhone, then here are some fixes that you could follow. The first thing to do is to restart your device. Close your Snapchat app if it is running in the background and turn off your iPhone and turn it on back again. Once you give a quick restart to your device, this may fix your Snapchat problem. If it still does not work, then the next thing to do is to check for available update for Snapchat on your iPhone. Tap open App Store. From the app drawer, go to the search box and give it a tap. Type in Snapchat into the search bar and search. If there is any available update for your Snapchat app, you'll be able to see an update button popping up right next to the Snapchat application. Tap on the update button to download the latest version of Snapchat on your mobile device. If it still does not work, you can also try updating your iOS version. Simply tap on Settings and from the Settings menu, scroll down to General and tap it on. Tap on Software Update button at the top and check for available updates for your software. If your iPhone is up to date, then you can move on to the next step. If there is an available update for your software for your iPhone, simply download the update, and once your system is up to date, you can now tap open your Snapchat app to see if that fixes the issue. Another thing you could consider is checking out permission for your Snapchat to access your iPhone. Simply launch Open Settings and from the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Snapchat application. Check and see if the microphone and the camera option is enabled. Simply toggle on the button right next to microphone and camera, and once you allow access for Snapchat to your camera, you can go back and tap open your Snapchat app from the app drawer. As soon as you make these changes, you might be able to solve your issue. If none of those fixes worked, you can delete and reinstall your application. Simply press hold Snapchat app from your app drawer and tap on Remove App. Now in the pop-up, select Delete App and delete your Snapchat application from your iPhone. Once you've done that, wait for a couple of seconds. And now go back to App Store. In the search box, search for Snapchat again. Download your Snapchat application again. Reinstall your Snapchat application and tap on the Open button. Log into your Snapchat app like you normally do, and this might be able to solve your issue. Those were some of the troubleshooting methods you could follow whenever your Snapchat camera is not working on your iPhone. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.